Do not let it deceive you. The graveyards, how they look from the top, they all look calm. They all look the same from the top. What are they lacking underneath? They are all different. One person's graveyard is a what? It's a garden from the gardens of a Jannah. And another person, his graveyard is a what? It's a pit from the pits of the hellfire. And what is it that separated or made different that from that is what? You know what's very profound? Every single body knows that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who provides. Is there anyone who doesn't know that? Everyone here knows that Allah is the provider. True or false? But then even though you know Allah is the provider, you still get up every day, 9 o'clock or whatever time it may be. You get up, you go to work, you make money and you come home. When you know Allah is the provider and you don't rely on His name, Ar-Razzaq. You don't just say Allah is the provider. You work for the rizq. But when it comes to sins, why do you rely on Allah's name, Ghafir? He's a forgiver. And say, I'm not going to repent. I'm not going to rectify my situation. Allah is merciful. He's a forgiving one. تقول مع العصيان ربي غافر صدقت ولكن غافر بالمشيئة وربك رازق كما هو غافر فلما لا تصدق بينهما بالسوية على أنه بالرزق كفل نفسه ولم يتكفل للأنام بجنتي وما زلت تسعى بالذي قد كفيته وتهمل ما كلفته من وظيفتي. تقول مع العصيان ربي غافر. You are sinning and you're saying, whilst you're sinning, you're saying Allah is forgiving. And you're committing sins, you're not repenting. تقول مع العصيان ربي غافر صدقت ولكن غافر بالمشيئة. You're right, Allah is one that forgives, yes, but He forgives with His will. He chooses who He forgives. وَرَبُّكَ رَازِقٌ كَمَا هُوَ غَافِرٌ. Allah is one who provides and He is one who forgives. فَلِمَ لَا تُصَدِّقُ بَيْنَهُمَا بِالسَّوِيَّةِ. Why did you not make the two names the same? When it came to the name Raziq, you worked for the rizq. You made sure that you put the effort in to get the rizq from Allah. But when it came to the name Ghafir, you did not what? You didn't work for that name. You expected the forgiveness to just randomly come. فَلِمَ لَا تُصَدِّقُ بَيْنَهُمَا بِالسَّوِيَّةِ عَلَىٰ أَنَّهُ بِالرِّزْقِ كَفَّلَ نَفْسَهُ وَلَمْ يَتَكَفَّلْ لِلْأَنَامِ بِجَنَّتِهِ. Even that though Allah promised that even if the person doesn't work for his rizq, Allah will still bring it for them. وعنده مفاتح الغيب لا يعلمها إلا هو ويعلم ما في البر والبحر وما تسقط من ورقة إلا يعلمها ولا حبة في ظلمات الأرض ولا رطب ولا يابس إلا في كتاب مبين. Allah promised, He made it upon Himself to provide for everybody even if they don't work for it. Your rizq is going to come to you even if you try to run away from it. Just the same way that death will come to you, the Prophet said, if you try to run away from it. Your rizq is going to come to you. So really, if there was one of those two names that you didn't have to work for, it's actually the rizq, because it would come to you. Lakin Allah didn't make a promise that He's going to forgive everybody or give Jannah to everybody. Makes sense, brothers? So there's a contradiction here in our actions and the way that we do things, right, brothers?